do you do if you're obsessed with cars, but stuck living in the vast concrete jungle that is Manhattan? You might buy a small garage somewhere outside the city and keep your Sunday driver there, heading out for a sunny weekend drive when it's convenient. Or maybe you keep a track day toy at the nearby Monticello Motor Club. Those are both good options, but there's also a third: joining the Classic Car Club of Manhattan. The Classic Car Club of Manhattan was founded by Zach Moseley and Michael Prichinello back in 2005. The club allows members to pay a monthly fee, which gives them access to its stable of over 30 vintage, sports and supercars. The club handles all the maintenance and upkeep on the vehicles. All members have to do is book the vehicles in advance for the time they wish to use them. The club operated out of a southside Manhattan warehouse for its first 11 years of operation, before moving into a huge 8,000 square feet facility that formerly served as the NYPD horse stable. Italian performance brake company Brembo held a fancy post-auto show cocktail event at the Classic Car Club of Manhattan's stable-turned-garage this past week, which allowed us to stop by with our camera and give you a rare look inside the club where New York's well-to-do car enthusiasts hang out every week. Not all of the club's vehicles were on display during the Brembo event, but the good majority of them were. They had also just taken delivery of a number of Cadillac vehicles, including a CTS-V and a CT6 sedan, so we were some of the first people to see the club's latest acquisitions. We also peeked inside the maintenance garage where they work on their fleet of supercars and vintage cars, where we spotted a McLaren 570S up on a hoist along with a C3 Corvette in the background and some other vehicles hiding in the storage area.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.